cycling. Saw like a 3-year-old on a bicycle, and we need to get my kid on a bike stat. We're coming up on the first ridge. Little place to stop. And looks like a little bench and stuff, which is cool to check it out. It's Fremont Street over there. Actually right there, and then that's Strip. I think Max is done. Now it's just me and Brooks. Okay, we just made it to the top. We had to lose my wife and my sister and my 1.5-year-old because he was being a pill. Down. We did it. You tired, Brooks?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm tired too. Out of shape. Max, you did half of it. How do you feel? Dehydrated?
He's coming? Did you get? Oh, I saw the stop.
I'm thirsty.
All right.
You ready for Slurpees?
Slurpees.